I've got a real treat for you today. I'm going to be sharing my 3 favorite Pulte floor plans, 3 different communities that they're offered here in the East Valley. There is something that these floor plans have in common. All of them have this incredible ceiling, vaulted ceiling with windows and tons of natural light in the living room area. These 3 floor plans are very similar, but it's going to be like a biggest in terms of the size, and there are special things about each floor plan that I think you'll like. I do highly recommend that you have an agent represent you when you purchase a new construction home. If you're not sure if you need one or not, check out my video up here or in the description below for more information on why it's very beneficial to you to have your own agent represent you when you purchase a new construction home, whether it's a long-term build or a quick move-in. Okay, let's check out the floor plans.
Looking for a stunning new build home with soaring ceilings, modern design, and flexible living spaces? Let's explore these 3 incredible floor plans, each offering smart layouts, abundant natural light, and the kind of upgrades you're looking for. First up, the Prado at 2,830 square feet. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home features a home office and a 3-car garage, or a 2-car garage with an optional 5th bedroom. Step inside to soaring ceilings and windows that flood the living area with natural light. The primary suite is conveniently located on the main floor, offering a private retreat you'll love coming home to. At the heart of the home is a gorgeous modern kitchen with a large center island and adjacent dining room perfect for entertaining. It opens up to a spacious living room, incredible ceilings that fill the room with light, and upstairs, a bright loft that overlooks the living room below, creating that open, airy feeling you'll love. You'll also find 3 bedrooms upstairs, including one with a private ensuite. Next up, the Messina, which builds on the Prado with 3,650 square feet of upgraded space. You'll enjoy the same dramatic ceilings and natural light, a first-floor primary suite, and a den or home office. The kitchen features a large center island, designer finishes, and open sightlines to the living room and dining room areas. And just like the Prado, the upstairs loft offers stunning view of the living room below. This plan adds even more space upstairs with 4 secondary bedrooms and a Jack and Jill bath. In total, this home has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Plus, the 3-car garage includes an additional bonus storage space with a window to fill the area with natural light. Don't need a 3-car garage? Convert the tandem garage into a 5th bedroom with ensuite. And finally, the Quinlan at 4,141 square feet. It's the most spacious of the 3 floor plans. Similar to the Messina, this home also offers 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a 3.5-car garage, but with some touches that make it extra special. For example, out front, enjoy a courtyard and a covered loggia that you could even convert into a private multi-gen suite with separate entrance. Inside, you'll find a flex space for formal dining, a home office, and a stunning spiral staircase that adds architectural interest. Similar to the other 2 floor plans, the chef-inspired kitchen features a large center island and flows seamlessly into the open living room and dining room areas that are bathed in light from the vaulted ceilings and tall windows above. The primary suite is also downstairs, and upstairs, the loft and bonus room overlook the living room below, continuing that open concept elegance. You'll also find 4 additional bedrooms upstairs, including a Jack and Jill bath. Each of these homes delivers designer kitchens, light-filled living spaces, and that wow factor with open lofts overlooking the heart of the home. So which one fits your lifestyle best? The Prado, Messina, or Quinlan? Let's tour them together and find your perfect fit.
Okay, was I right? Pretty spectacular, don't you think? Now, if you thought that those videos looked good and that was very interesting to you, I gotta say, seeing it in person is so much better. And I would love to be the one to take you out and show you these models in 3 different communities that they're offered here in the East Valley.
If you're searching in the East Valley, Pulte is now featured at not 3, but 4 desirable East Valley locations. Blossom Rock in Apache Junction is located at Ironwood Drive and Ray Road, just adjacent to East Mesa, with easy access to the 60, 202, and 24 freeways. This extraordinary master plan community offers a 1.5-acre fishing lake, a 3.5-acre playground, 3 dog parks, and stunning views of the Superstition Mountains. Harvest in Queen Creek near Riggs and Gary Roads, this gated community is across from spectacular amenities including a lake, kid zone, pool, and clubhouse, and also is a short drive to 2 of Queen Creek's most popular attractions, the Queen Creek Olive Mill and Pecan Lake Entertainment Center. Legato West is also in Queen Creek. It's located off Ocotillo and Power Roads. Here, you can enjoy the charm of Queen Creek with the added bonus of being adjacent to Gilbert, allowing you to take advantage of all Queen Creek and Gilbert have to offer. And now, Pulte offers its newest East Valley location, Jorde Farms. Located off Ellsworth, just north of Rittenhouse, this vibrant new community is nestled in the heart of Queen Creek and offers the perfect blend of convenience, local flavor, and modern living. Here's what you need to know though. Not all 3 of these floor plans are available at every community. So if you want the inside scoop regarding which community offers the floor plan you love or what quick move-ins and incentives are available, be sure to give me a call.
I won't be able to represent you unless I go with you the very first time to the models and check you in. So make sure you give me a call before you go out. I've been in the East Valley since 1999. I love the East Valley. It is my home. It's where I raised my children, my family, my husband, my mom's here. We love the East Valley. So give me a call, 480-789-0794, and I look forward to talking to you soon.